What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Al. We're gonna do a cold start for you. Cause who doesn't like a cold start, right? Well, welcome to the channel. This is Queen Kai. This is a 2021 Honda CBR1000RR. I got her brand new back in 21. And she's been great to me. Honda has always been my favorite brand. I'm a huge Honda fanatic. As you can see, my car as well. Alright, let's get some gas. Let's have some fun. Oh wait, mode. Shout out to my boy Bradley, because I had no idea that you could turn the traction control off just like that. Huh? Would you look at that? Man, I love the way this bike sounds. Oh! That M4 exhaust, boy. Whee! So sexy.
A few moments later.
Bro, there's nothing like it, man. I just love riding, bro. It's so free, man. Like, it's such a stress reliever. Like, if you've had a long day, like, dude, just get on your bike and just go for a cruise, bro. live. But we're down here at the border of Mexico. You know how it is over here. Look at that. Beautiful. Downtown, baby. I see you. We need more buildings, bro. I don't know why, like, that's the only thing that's like, that gets me. Like, I love the city vibe, and look at this. Look at the downtown. Look, there's like 5 buildings over there. That's it. Slow down. We see an opening right here. Woohoo! Hello. Whoa, in between. Hey, all the way. Too crazy in the local streets, because you just never know. People just pull out on you, man. But you always just gotta be, you know, just pay attention. Everybody gotta be vigilant. Right here, you see? I was already anticipating it. You see that? I was already anticipating it. You saw that? That's why you gotta be on your P's and Q's. Cógelo con te querés, papi. Hello. Acelera, mijo. Oh, y'all, you got a couple people out here. Hell, motherfucking yeah. Damn, look at that fresh cut, son. What's crack-a-lackin', smacking? How's it going, man?
I'm James.
Nice to meet you, L. What's up, Trey? Taco Tuesdays. I always go a little crazy when it comes to Taco Tuesdays. I eat tacos like the whole day.
What do you mean, you already had tacos today?
Yeah, for lunch. Like I wake up for like tacos. Yeah, I don't mind more tacos.
All day tomorrow is just be on the toilet.
I mean, I was already on the toilet at work.
Tuesdays are just your cleansing days.
Yeah, I usually detox on Tuesdays.